my co-panelists and the viewers up to date in the same argument that Vivek Tankha has given in ITAT. But first of all, this ITAT hearing was due in April. And then even after that, Congress has the right to approach High Court and other court. In this particular case, what Congress has challenged is the amount of income that the income tax department is considering and not giving it relief on the expenditure it has claimed. That is the basic challenge to the appellate CIT appeals order. And that's why this it is an ITAT and it can go on. Now, what has happened today is what Vivek Bansal and Mr. Ravi Srivastava were saying, that everything is fair in love and war. I mean, as the BJP spokesperson, I think, said, not on this show, that it's a routine procedure. So what is the routine procedure? That everything is fair in love and war for BJP. With Bharat Jodo Yatra making a connect, how to hurt Congress freeze its account. And this is a trick it has been doing, BJP has been adopting against all its people who oppose it, whether it be NGOs or whether it be media companies which speak against it. And that's what we are seeing here. Here we have a courtier who is more loyal than the king and who has jumped the gun. Instead of Congress being given all avenues open to it to appeal against this order, it has been sort of bullied into this. And now, of course, on Wednesday, we will know what the ITAT says on how much it has to deposit with the income tax department.
Nagarajan has argued it. He says that what about common citizens? Will any citizen get away if they are going to drag their tax cases in the ITAT or any corporate for that matter? Can this kind of leeway be allowed?
So, Madhav, let me remind all of our viewers that there is even a settlement commission where the corporates and individuals can go and settle an amount with the income tax department on the amount of tax imposed by the income tax department. What income tax department imposes on you, the tax imposes on you, can be challenged at any level, and the corrupt go and settle it in the settlement department. The others challenge it. So the Banu is trying to make it look as if Congress was into some tax evasion. No, it is questioning the amount of tax levied on it. It hasn't, unlike you and me, there is no, it is not that.
You want to quickly respond to that, Banu? Almost out of time. Banu, quick response, please.
Now, what is happening here?
You've taken his name. You let him respond to you. You've asked a question, let him respond to you. Yeah.
Political attack on it. Here is that it's what Congress is questioning is the amount of tax imposed on it. It has been denied certain expenditure. So, of course, if you want to abuse, you can say tax evasion, but it's not corruption. Unlike electoral bonds, which is clear case of corruption, where a sort of money laundering was taking place. So that is corruption. And to say that once the income tax department has levied something, you have to blindly accept it, then why do we have a ITAT, High Courts and in Supreme Court? That is because the person has the right to challenge assessment and it feels aggrieved.
Sure. And
that's exactly what the Congress party has been doing.
Okay.
So now, at this moment, it seems like a case where the department. We have
no, but Ashutosh Mishra, but Ashutosh Mishra, there is a point here. The point here is, Ashutosh Mishra, that Congress party was completely above board. Why would the accounts be given on lien? Can you explain that? Why would the accounts be given on lien to the income tax department? Their demand of the equivalent of perhaps in a sense attaching assets is when an account is given on lien. Very clearly, the court has found some merit in what the tax authorities are claiming.
So, Madhav, in this case also, as Vivek Tankha said, out of the 210 crores, 135 crore is demand. So, why freeze the, what right do you have to freeze the account? That's exactly what the Congress is saying.